Alright guys, it's been a while since I've made a video, or even brewed, but just did a batch a couple days ago, a golden ale, got everything cleaned up again, did a 15-gallon batch, since my last video, got a couple more fermenters. I need to put a stand on that one and get that one ready to go. But right now we're using the system that I built, the Glycol system. It's working great. Right now we're running, this is about 48 degrees. It'll go down to 45, shut off, let it get back up to 50 and start over. So it keeps that water around 45, 50 degrees. You know, not gonna freeze. I don't have any glycol in it, it's just water right now. And this thing, I have paper towels around it because it's just getting wet from the condensation and stuff. I just don't want that getting everywhere. It was sweating, but it's not really sweating anymore. My sensor actually wasn't reading correctly. It wasn't in the thermal well deep enough. So it had this recirculating way too much, and it got a little cold, so I had to adjust that, and now it's back up to where it's supposed to be. It was down to like 53 degrees, which is way too cold. So right now we're at about 69, fermenting about 69 degrees, which is perfect. And it is 89 in this room, which it'll get up to about 96 today. I don't have any AC in here, it's just a warehouse. So it's fermenting perfectly. It's run on itself. And I don't really have to mess with it. I just come and check on it every once in a while just to make sure it's still going. You know, one thing when we brewed, it's been hot. We're in Oklahoma, I'm in Tulsa, and just the water coming out of the hose is like 90 degrees. So it's kind of hard to chill your beer, no matter what kind of chiller you have. This is the one we have. So immediately got our boiling wort down to 80 degrees. Actually, it's like 85 degrees, which isn't cold enough. So we just recirculate until it got, the whole batch is about 100 degrees. And then I took this has a little valve here, and I kind of shut the system off, but only open this valve, the red right here. And I have a hose barb on the end, so we use this chilled water to finish off the cooling through that chiller. So that's how we got our wort down to pitching temperature in the fermenter. So that worked actually pretty good. That was the only way we could ever get our wort cold enough to pitch our yeast. So that works pretty good. Kind of a redneck system, but hey, it's working. So the next thing is we'll probably get the other 15-gallon one all set up like this, and then these big fermenters will have to move on the wall. That way when we want a double or triple batch, we'll be able to do that. So, all right, stay tuned.